What does it take to build a thriving community of faith from scratch? Let's journey back to the ancient city of Philippi, where a model church organization emerged that would shape Christianity for centuries to come. In the year 49 AD, the Apostle Paul arrived in Philippi, a bustling Roman colony in Macedonia. This visit marked the first time the gospel reached European soil, setting the stage for a remarkable transformation. Paul, guided by a vision from God, knew this city would be crucial for spreading the message of Jesus Christ. Upon arrival, Paul encountered a diverse group of individuals who would form the backbone of the Philippian church. Among them was Lydia, a successful businesswoman and the first European convert to Christianity. The Bible tells us in Acts 16:14, the Lord opened her heart to respond to Paul's message. Lydia's home became the first meeting place for the fledgling church. But the path to establishing this new faith community wasn't without challenges. Paul and his companion Silas found themselves imprisoned after casting out a demon from a slave girl. Yet even in chains, they praised God, and a miraculous earthquake set them free. This event led to the conversion of the jailer and his entire household, further expanding the church's reach. As the Philippian church grew, Paul recognized the need for strong leadership. He appointed elders and deacons to guide and serve the community. These leaders came from diverse backgrounds, former pagans, Jews, men, and women, united by their faith in Christ. The church in Philippi became known for its generosity and support of Paul's ministry. In his letter to the Philippians, Paul writes, "I thank my God every time I remember you." Philippians 1:3, highlighting the special bond between the apostle and this vibrant community. The Philippian leadership team exemplified key principles that we can apply today. They demonstrated unity in diversity, showing that people from all walks of life can come together under Christ's banner. They practiced servant leadership, putting the needs of others before their own. And they remained steadfast in their faith, even in the face of persecution. This model church organization in Philippi set a powerful example for future generations. It showed that with strong leadership, unwavering faith, and a commitment to serving others, a small group of believers can make a lasting impact on the world. The story of the Philippian church reminds us that when we work together in faith, guided by God's wisdom, we can build communities that stand the test of time and transform lives for eternity.